Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Firefox that is landing today, October 1st, 2024. So we are now at Firefox 131 as we're moving on in different versions. So what is new in this version? Well, finally we have the preview of tabs. So if you are opening several tabs and want to see something without actually going to that tab, just hovering your mouse pointer over a tab shows you a miniature version of that tab in the display. So this is something that could be useful. For some of you, could be useful sometimes when you have a lot of tabs to remember or find which tab is the one you want to go back to also. When there's several tabs and sometimes some are similar, you're wondering which one is the one you want to go back. There's also a new feature that is going to give you notifications, temporary notifications, or permissions, sorry. So temporary permissions are valid for 1 hour. So when you go to a website and it asks you for permission, for example, to give you notifications or to use a camera or to use a device, you'll be able to grant it always or to grant it temporarily. If you use the temporary permission, well then all that you have given permission will last only 1 hour. After that, all the permissions are removed and the website will have to ask you again if you want to go and give permission for some of the things. So, on some websites that maybe you don't visit very often, it's actually a good idea to have temporary access. Same thing for, if you go to a website that might want your location. Well, you can say just allow temporarily. That means for 1 hour you'll know where I am, but after 1 hour you'll have to ask again if you want that permission. So simply go to the upper right hamburger menu and go into the Help and About Firefox. You will be moved to version 131. And of course, there are security updates if you don't really care about the new features. These security updates, only 2 from what I've seen, but they are high severity, so it's important to still update your Firefox browser. If not for the features, at least for the security that it will bring. So Firefox 131 now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.